My name is Ik Chibuzor, a Nollywood actor.
Oh, good.
Way back 2000, before I stopped and entered the university to run my master's, and presently I'm back. Yeah. My brother is too bad. Personally, it's giving me serious concern. Sometimes I ask myself, acting in Nollywood, is it all about sex? I later find out that most people that are indulging in such sex and sex films are really enemy of Nollywood. They are enemy in the sense that they are working against Nollywood. They are trying to paint the image of Nollywood black in the outside world. I can remember in those days, acting is all about passion. It's all about passion. And you see people bringing out their talents. But today, it's a different ball game. It's a different ball game. I don't know. It's alarming. To me, to my own point of view, you know, most of these people, like I said earlier, acting is all about passion. But some of them that are into it, they come in because of the money. So because of that, they try to make things that people will like to buy. Right? I would say is money is what is actually pushing them into it. And secondly, I would say unemployment. Unemployment in the sense that most youths, they are jobless. So whatever that comes, they will just go for it. Right? So most of these are wicked directors, let me put it that way, or wicked producers that are trying to mess the industry up. We now take advantage of that and lure most of them into such rubbish. You can't see them going far. You can't see them going far. So I would say money and unemployment. I think for you to go far in any profession, you must have the passion for it. The passion is number one thing, if I'm to say. And if you have the passion and you're aiming high, I don't think you will start with all these sexy things, because you just have to cage yourself. Any reasonable producer would not like to engage you. So what's the essence of involving yourself in a venture that will not take you far? So for me, my advice is let them cease from all this rubbish and join the right thing, do the right thing, and project the image of this country through acting, through Nollywood.